everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic Theriasis palpebrarum. This is a kind of eyelash disorder, so let's move to its description. Infestation of the lashes by the crab louse and its nuts. Now, the crab louse is a kind of insect which cause infection on the eyelashes of the human beings, and the crab louse give its eggs. The word nits is related to the eggs. The crab louse give its eggs on the eyelashes and cause infection to the eyelashes or an eye. It is mainly common in the children due to poor hygienic condition. As we all know that the children do not maintain hygiene, so it commonly takes place in the children. It mainly affects the females. Okay. Now if you can see here, this one is the lid margin and the eyelashes are present here, and on the eyelashes there is a deposition of the crust. Okay, so here the nits are given by the crab louse. These are the crab louse. Okay, they have given their nits all over the hair and these are spreading infection. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Symptoms. The symptoms are itching, irritation, watering and the redness, because the child keeps on opening and closing the eyelids, so it causes the itching, irritation, watering and the redness. These are the symptoms. Now what are the signs? What signs you can see on the eye of the patient? Crab and nut shaped infection, commonly at the base of the eyelashes. Okay, so this one is the base of the eyelashes. This is the eyelashes and this one is the base. The base is present where the eyelash emerges. Okay, you can see the nits and the crab shape infection. Matting of the eyelashes with one another, so the eyelashes get attached to one another. Okay, they will not be seen separately, they will be attached with the one another due to the presence of infection there. Next one is madrosis. The word madrosis means eyelashes get missing. Okay, the eyelash starts falling off due to the presence of a lot of infections over there, so you will notice that the eyelashes get missing. Next one is the treatment. What treatment should be given? Forceful removal of the eyelashes by the appellation. If it is spread on the one or two eyelashes, then we can appellate the eyelash. Okay, we will remove the eyelash by using the forceps. Next one, use wet and the clean cloth to remove the deposition. Those depositions which are present on it, we will use the wet as well as the clean cloth so we can remove them. Next one is destruction. Proper destruction may be done and the laser should be done on the eyelashes to remove all this waste material or a kind of infection. Next one is delousing. In case of delousing, sometimes the mercury oxide ointment is given to the patient which will help in removing this kind of infection. This was the end. Thanks for your patience listening.